Right, in today's video we have got some very exciting news to share with you. First though, we need to get in the truck, get on the road, because we've got a 3-hour journey. So then let's get in the truck, and then a bit later on I can share with you the exciting news. Right then, so we've made it down to our first stop. So we've made it down to the Team at Eco trailer. So what we've actually done is gone ahead and get a fully enclosed trailer so we can offer our full enclosed transport on all of our cars that are coming for paint protection film. So now that we've got the trailer, R1 is currently still being built. So whilst we're sorting this customer out, they've kindly lent us one. We should be collecting ours within the next couple of weeks. So we're going to take this one now and go ahead and collect this customer's car for him, and then we're going to take it back to the unit and get started with the paint protection film and coatings. So that's this Macan GTS now safely transported from Porsche York all the way to our studio, ready for us to start applying the Expo paint protection film. Before we even think about doing that though, as always, we need to give it a full chemical decontamination outside the vehicle. So I'll show you a quick overview of this. You've seen it plenty of times on the channel before, but the chemical decontamination is so important when you're planning on applying film. So we'll spend a good few hours on this, getting it ready for us to apply the paint protection film. So let's get on with the chemical decontamination. Right then, so that's the chemical decontamination now done, so the paintwork is absolutely spotless. Whilst the car's now outside the studio, we've also taken the wheels off and gone ahead and decontaminated them and ceramic coating them with our wax's dead heat. This way we don't have to jack it up inside, we can get it all done outside, and then as soon as we pull it in, it's ready for us to start applying the film. So let's get the wheels back on the car and then we can go inside and get ready to start applying the Expo PPF. Right then, so as you've just seen, that is the roof and the bonnet now protected with the Expo Ultimate Fusion paint protection film. We've chosen to do these areas first as these are the most difficult on the entire car. So on the roof, in these rubber channels here, they're so prone to flicking out dirt and grime that you really cannot get out that easily. So you may notice that we use the tape to seal on all of those rubber edges just to make sure that when we're applying the film with all of the moisture, any dirt is not going to seep out of it and ruin the finish of the film. And then with the bonnet, because of the clamshell size of these Macans, these have to be bulk installed with Expo 72-inch film, so it is a huge piece of film. So if you do get any issues with it, it is a big cost to replace that film. So luckily it's gone down lovely now, so it's had some time to settle down. We just need to go around and heat seal all of the edges, but now them two are done, we can crack on with getting the rest of the car protected, as this is having full car PPF. So let's crack on with the rest of the car. Right, so as the Macan GTS is now complete at the studio, we need to go ahead and get it loaded back into the trailer, ready for us to go and drop it off back to the customer up in York. So this is the service we now offer at the studio, so if you do need your car transporting to or from the dealership, please let us know and we can get that arranged for you. So let's get the Macan loaded onto the trailer and let's get back onto the road so we can deliver it straight back to the customer. Right then, so that's the Porsche now dropped off at Porsche York, as you can see behind me. Toby's now just pulling it into the dealership, ready for our customer to come and collect it. So if you have enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.